Okay, 2 minutes on the term casket veil. Many of you have probably never even seen a casket veil. I remember the first time I saw one of mine, I was going through the funeral home drawers and in one of the kind of hallway drawers, and I came across this huge mesh burgundy colored thing with fringe on the edge, and I was like, what is this? And I had to have someone explain to me. So a casket veil is something that is used to lay from the lid of the casket down over the front. And so essentially when you go by to look at the body, you're looking through this veil. It keeps people from touching the body, and it also gives a softened appearance to the deceased. Now these are often used if there's heavy restoration. So there's a lot of wax work, a lot of cosmetics to keep from people touching and messing up that wax and cosmetics. Some funeral homes use these every single time they set up a casket for viewing. Not often is that the case. Some funeral homes never use them. They don't even own one. It's just not something that's in their repertoire. So you may never ever see these even if you go to 100 funerals, because it is not a common item used in most funeral homes anymore. But these are mesh or netted or crocheted or things that's like a veil that is placed over the casket. They can be black, white, cream, burgundy with fringe, as the one that I found was. So you never know exactly the color or things that it may look like, but they do go over the casket to keep a kind of a little wall between the viewer and the deceased. That's 2 minutes on the term casket veil.